we start thinking about our spray program here, really everything we do at Oakmont is on a preventative basis. There is zero margin for error, for any breakthrough of any kind. Every year we come up with a game plan, what products we're going to apply to the golf course. It starts with a list of our concerns. Is it summer patch, fairy ring? What items do we want to address every year? And then we start thinking about, okay, what timings do we need to preventatively apply these products, as we get into the season? And then you start thinking about rotating chemistries. Oakmont's had a long-standing relationship with Syngenta. Syngenta was the first product line that I was introduced with.
As Director of Agronomy, Syngenta means a lot to me. It's a backbone of a lot of our spray programs over just continuous years of support through championships and just normal years. Always being there, always having a face, always having resources available. They've been a great partner for the club.
When I think about my role as a golf course superintendent, I'm not the best at anything. Good enough to get the job done, but there's always someone better and smarter that we can reach out to. And with our relationships with the Syngenta team, whether it's Jordan, Lisa from the technical side, having the ability to pick up the phone, having someone that will actually answer, get right back to you and help you out with anything that you might need, quickly goes a long way. And without that support system, there's no way we could do what we do here at Oakmont. We're constantly relying on the best of the best from the technical side to help us make educated decisions day in and day out that give us the product that we strive for.
Starting off with Acceloprin, being able to spray the product in May or April and be able to have that longevity of the product and control of the product, which has been tested here, where we've held up to army worms in the fall with Acceloprin spray 4 months prior. So we've seen it, tested it. Really strong product. And then the action products, as you get into, to really combat with the action, the acebenzolar, really combating abiotic that we put on the plant, also biotic stress. As you get into some of these, July and August, we've seen great response from them with the chlorothalonil, the fluazanam. Those action products have been really a backbone for us.
In terms of the relationship with Syngenta leading into this championship, everything gets ramped up, right? We have high standards every day for the Oakmont membership, but for a championship, we're trying to raise the bar a little bit more, and having a support team from local guys like Jordan to the national guys goes a long way.
Consistency is key. To quote Mike Tomlin, the standard is the standard. Say your greens are 14 feet or 15 feet and the next day they're 13, you have to maintain some type of consistency. With the Syngenta brand and product line, that's definitely played a role in our consistency from a plant protectant program and the playability of the golf course.
Syngenta's brought a lot of new products, a lot of new chemistries to our profession over the years. They're trying to constantly innovate, come up with new solutions to treat whether it's disease or insects or anything like that. Those are products that we always take a look at, and they're products that we rely on.